Parker in front of me is in his Supra, and we are heading out to some airstrip towards Nellis Air Force Base. So, should be pretty cool. By the way, guys, I just hit 100K on Instagram. Like, that's crazy. 100,000 followers. So, thanks to everybody who follows me on Instagram. If you don't, make sure you go do that right now. It will be greatly appreciated. But, yay! This is the exit of the Valley of Fire. I think we have to go through here because Lake Mead is in here somewhere, and then the airstrip where we were going is somewhere by the lake. Pretty out here, and these roads out here are unbelievably fun. Today was his first time driving a twin-turbo Lamborghini Huracan. How was it?
It was unreal. 800 horsepower, I think. Made me pretty nauseous, but we're good now.
Was it what you expected?
It is a lot more than what I expected. I almost thought I was gonna fly for a couple seconds there. But
sounds about right.
Yeah, we were chilling.
Off-roading. This is fun. Hopefully nobody gets stuck. You're going so fast! So much for my car wash I got. I'm getting dusted out. I swear, every time I get my car washed, it rains or I do something involved with dirt and sand. Like, it's always something. It's like we just got out to the airstrip. Wow, this is really sick. Guys, this is so cool. What the heck? Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. This is so sick. I can't.
Pretty amazing, huh?
So amazing. Parker, this is so sick.
This is one of the coolest places I have ever been.
What up?
Seriously. Take off. All right, dude. Enjoy, man. So, hit the brakes at like 130.
Guys, don't look at my lower half.
Are you
right
serious?
now.
You're dead serious.
I'm fully erect.
Oh my god.
Fully erect. Holy Jesus.
I think the Aventador won by a little bit. Okay.
All right, let's go. Nice. Launch control and then a roll. There.
that's why he beat me.
Oh, no way.
But other than that, if I didn't redline, I don't think he would have beat me. Okay, so Parker Supra, I believe it's 700 horsepower. Right now it might be 530 wheel. I think he said 500 wheel. My car is about 530, maybe 500 wheel. I beat him on the dig, but then on the roll, I misshifted. I waited too long because I got downshifted and I redlined it. So that's why he won. I guarantee if we did it again, I'd win. But that was a lot of fun. I definitely am gonna come back here. Now I'm waiting for Parker and Adam to go out with the Supra and the M5, and then I'm gonna take the twin turbo Huracan. I'm not gonna race anybody. I just wanna like feel the power on the strip. Wobbly at high speeds. Did you feel that too when you drove it?
Yeah.
It's very quick, but it's really wobbly. Like
shaky.
Compared to my GT3, it's really scary. Like I don't know. I don't know if all Huracans are like that or if it's I don't know. But that was kind of scary. But I mean it's fast. I don't know. Anyways, that was fun. I don't know if you guys can see, but the M5 and the Supra are going at it. It's really hard to tell. I think the Supra's in the front. You guys are coming in hot.
Big high.
You're coming in hot there.
Parker, how'd it go? The second
Well,
dig race, it looked like you got
obviously, two rear-wheel drive, decently high horsepower cars,
Yeah.
pretty hard to launch
Yeah.
at the same time.
Right.
And on the roll, I just kept accidentally jumping. Like I'm not trying to cheat against
Yeah.
my friend.
Yeah.
But I don't know what I'm doing. I would say they're pretty much as dead even as it gets.
Yeah.
Do you agree with that?
I would very
On the
much
second
agree.
dig race, did you get him? It looked like you did.
On the second dig race, I got him.
You jumped a little bit.
I jumped. What happened is because the thing is when you take the foot off the brake,
Yeah,
it doesn't creep like most cars do because it's a DCT, so it's kind of in neutral.
Right.
So I took my foot on the brake in anticipation of the launch, and then it just kind of
It
rolled a
freaked
little
me
bit.
out too. I was like, "What's he doing? Is he going?" Like, right after
But
he
yeah.
was like, "You jumped on me," and then I thought he was jumping, but no.
Yeah, no,
It was
it's the
hilarious.
cars are super neck and neck.
I mean,
Hey, but they're both
5 and
BMWs, right?
600 horsepower
No, it's a
Supra.
competition. So it's
Still
500,
stock.
580, and this is running on, not E85, so it's 495, 500 wheel.
Okay.
So that's maybe 580. That's got a way better gearbox.
Yeah,
So-
the dual clutch is unbelievable.
I don't know.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, this is lighter, but the transmission sucks.
What do you
And
got, like
I
a
said,
1,000 pounds on me?
Yeah, I got a
Yeah,
big
probably.
weight advantage. Big
Yeah,
weight
but it's
advantage.
okay. I make up for it here.
But there you go, regardless.
Oh my god. Alright guys, it's super dark out here, but I think we're gonna wrap up that video. Today was a really hectic day, so hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.